In this presentation, we're going to look at goods AdWords for Microsoft Dynamics NAV. NAV can accommodate different scenarios that depends on the location setup. We'll see first how to ship directly from an order, then the pick and ship process, the ship only process, and the pick only process. First, let's go to the warehouse location setup and see on location blue we don't have the require shipment and require pick ticked. On location white we have both shipment and pick. On the ship only, just the require shipment ticked, and on the pick only location, just the require pick. So we start by creating a new sales order, and we'll put it on location blue, that is to say no pick, no ship. So we're going to ship it directly from the sales order, and it could be a transfer order as well or a purchase return. So we do just ship, and you see that the quantity to ship is going to the quantity shipped. So here everything has been shipped. Let's do another example to see the partial shipment, still on location blue. We use a template to make it quicker, and now we're going to modify the quantity to ship to make a partial shipment, and when we post ship, now the quantity shipped is partial and the outstanding quantity is on the quantity to ship. Let's make another partial shipment, just to front wheel. Now its quantity shipped has increased, and let's navigate to the shipments, the posted shipments. So on the home shipments, we see the two shipments we have posted so far. Let's look at the last one, and we can see the two front wheels. Let's finish with that and ship all the remaining items. So this is a simple process directly from the order. Now let's look at the pick and ship. First we create the shipment from the order, and we create the pick from the shipment. Then we combine shipments. Then we're going to look at the pick worksheet and wave picking. I've prepared a sales order on location white. Here we're going to click on create shipment. That brings us to the warehouse shipment. We're going to release the warehouse shipment and create the pick. Okay, pick is created. We navigate to the pick lines card for showing the full document. That's what needs to be picked. We're going to fill the quantity to handle and to register the pick. Now that it is registered, you see in the warehouse shipments quantity picked. It's updated, and we post the shipment. And now the sales order has been delivered. Now let's look at how to combine shipments So we go to the planning and execution warehouse shipments, and we create a new on location white. So we have two ways. We could use filters with predefined filters. So with any kind of parameter, so this one is using the transporter, DHL. This one is using a filter just for a customer. But instead we're going to use a get source document that shows what needs to be shipped. So here we have two orders that has been selected in the same shipment. We create the pick as we did before. Pick is created as we did before. We navigate to the pick, doing pick line card. Again, we autofill the quantity to handle, and we register the pick. Now, quantity pick is updated to the warehouse shipment, so that can be shipped. And the two orders are shipped at the same time. Now we're going to look at the pick worksheet and wave picking. So instead of using the create pick, we could go, once the shipment have been created, we could go to planning and execution, pick worksheet, and here we get source document. We can select all the shipments, and you have a comprehensive, a full view of what needs to be delivered, what needs to be picked. We have the available quantity. Not everything is available. So if you can make just a small selection and create a pick, or you can select everything, create pick, and here you've got several options to split the pick. Here we've make per zone code, and I reckon we just all the items are in the same zone. The put pick as a pick zone. So if we go at the pick, we just have one pick with probably with a lot of items in it. So we're going to delete this and redo it to see the other options and the wave picking in particular. So let's go back to the pick worksheet, get source document again, same as we did before, autofill, create pick, and now we're going to select per bin. So several picks have been created, and if we go to good handling multiple orders picks again, we see several picks, one per bin. So take the item from that bin. So again, the pick worksheet allows you to have a full view of what needs to be picked and to create picks in a flexible way, such as wave picking. Now let's look at the ship only process. To do that, I have prepared a sales order on the ship only location, and we're going to do create warehouse shipment as we did before. And now when we post the shipment, the sales order is delivered right away. No pick process. Another way of doing it, planning and execution, warehouse shipment, we create a new, we select our location, and as we did before, we can use filter or get source document, and here we can select multiple sales order or multiple documents transfer orders. We autofill the quantity to ship, and we post with ship, and multiple documents have been created, shipped in one hit. Let's look at the pick only process now. So again, I've created a sales order on the pick only location. This time we're going to click create inventory put away pick, and we tick create inventory pick. We're going to navigate to the inventory pick with inventory pick lines. We autofill and we post ship. And it has been shipped. Let's do it now from the warehouse goods handling order by order inventory pick. We create a new, still location pick only. We get source document, and here we can select one document at a time, only one at a time. We post ship, and it's done. Let's do a last one to see what we could do. Another option we could do with the pick only process. Okay, you could split line, that is to say, you could take the goods from different bins. So NAV offers different options, flexible, to best set up your location. Is it a one-step or a two-step process? Do you want to combine shipments? Do we allocate to multiple bins? Do we use multiple units? And the pick worksheet can give you full visibility of items to ship. And do you have a paper or paperless system with scanners? Let's have a look at a few things to keep in mind. So you need to set up yourself as a warehouse employee. And let's look at the printouts we would get. So on the warehouse shipment, you have the print with the item that need to be shipped. Now let's look at the pick in the goods handling multiple orders. You have the printout here. What's need to be picked from which bin, and on the order by order good handling multiple orders, the inventory pick, another printout. You could go as well with a paperless solution with handheld scanners and mobile WMS. If you have any question, please contact us and we'll be happy to help you.